in one direction, around the low in the other direction, and again, it's the same sort of squeeze action compression where you get your strongest winds. So it's all working together, and when it's in our terrain, these are known as the Diablo winds or the Santa Ana winds. They're known for different names because of different locations.
Well, there you have it. They've just established a new phenomenon. Now, in 3 years, you won't know that. This has never happened before. This doesn't happen normally. The weather setup he's describing is normal. It's bizarre, dude. The Diablo and Santa Ana winds, the double winds, and now we have the Diablo winds. It's 2019. You've never heard those terms except in LA, Santa Ana winds. You've never heard that ever up north. And to prove it, he just said it. He didn't even know what they were fucking called. Because there were no names for it. So how do we get a 50 to 70 mile per hour wind out of the east? And check this out. They coincidentally happen to be where? In all the locations that have had suspicious fires in the last year. Boy, talk about cleaning up the evidence. I'm not kidding you, man. Listen to what he says here. And look at the wind speeds in those areas only. That's how they do brainwashing. Literally.
Pops as well. Now just give it time, because as this moves in, that wind, which is in different layers at the moment,
weird, dude.
It's going to start to fill in for basically everybody. So if you're in the dark in Placerville and you're wondering what is the big deal, just give it time, because again, this is just starting to move in. Here's another look. This is specifically wind gusts.
Look at that.
Since midnight. Okay, so this is only within the last hour and 11 minutes or so. The strongest wind gusts that we've seen. And again, this is extreme. We've seen some wind gusts in the Redding area, 50 miles an hour or stronger. You go down toward the community of Corn.
Okay, they had the tornado, the fire tornado that everyone's suspicious about. Well, we'll just put regular weather in there so that when people find out about this, they won't ask questions. It's normal. Bullshit.
Which does have a confirmed wildfire that has broken out. 600 acres so far. They are having evacuations in that community. It is also growing very quickly. They're sending crews from our sister station, our affiliate, I should say, up in Redding, KRCR. They're going to put out more information if you want specifically more of that. But look at this 70. Now, this really matters, because that 70, if you want some perspective of where that is, that's north of Lake Oroville, and that is in the Feather River Canyon. That specific weather station is called Jarbo Gap. That is roughly the same location where the campfire broke out.
So you're telling me that you have the audacity to bring in some bizarre weather front? I mean, talk about... This ain't... Dude, God does a better job than this. You know what I mean? Like, talk about climate change. This is not something we did. This is, like, weird. Like, how many times has this happened before? Like, it makes me wonder if anything in the histories books is accurate. The sun may be rising in the west. Dude, we're going to get hurricanes now in Washington? I'm not kidding. Probably, huh? They're going to blame it on global warming. I'm saying, I think we would have noticed it before. In fact, people are like, what are you guys talking about? How does PG&E know about this, then? How's PG&E going to know about this bizarre event, but you never told us about it until today? How's PG&E got better weather than us? And none of these people are from the National Weather Service. They're from their own outfits.
Now, as far as we know, I would imagine that there's no lines, there's no energized lines in those areas. That's a really windy spot that has a history of bad things happening.
Only one.
You can already see 70 miles an hour. That's close to hurricane force gust in that spot within the last hour.
Oh,
so we'll move it on down a little bit. Then you can see one high area of concern is the coastal range all the way up to the coast, north of Santa Rosa. We are seeing 52 mile an hour wind gusts.
Oh my God.
And then for the valley floor, to be quite honest with you, we often don't see wind getting this strong for the valley floor. 38 miles an hour near Yuba City. We've got 37 at the executive airport. Fairfield, Vacaville getting in the mix there with 38 miles an hour wind gusts. And then this 43 that you see there just off to the east of Oakland, that's Mount Diablo. And that's showing a 43 mile an hour wind gust. Now, computer models are computer models. They're almost always off a little bit. But some of those models were showing, as of yesterday afternoon, that the max gust we could see in places like the top of Mount Diablo, upwards of 90 miles an hour. Now, that is going to be really difficult to pull off. At least a couple more hours. We get to early Monday morning, and thank goodness there is an end to this in sight. It's 40, 50 miles an hour. And remember, this is a computer model going forward. But what
you know what the real thing is?
They call it Diablo winds because that's where these strong warming winds. Diablo winds winds or the Santa Ana winds, they're known for different names because of different locations. For the Bay, and when it's in our terrain, these are known as the Diablo winds or the Santa Ana winds. They're known for different names because of different locations. For the Bay Area, they call it Diablo winds because that's where these strong warming winds are coming from. If you're in San Francisco, the wind is coming from your perspective, from Mount Diablo. So that's why they're called the Diablo winds. For Southern California, they're called the Santa Ana winds because when they're felt in Los Angeles or toward the coast, they're coming from where Santa Ana is, where the city is. So that's why they have different names, but it's the same sort of deal.
They were called the Santanas, as in Satan. Santa Ana, I know they say that, but it's because people didn't like saying Santana because it's like a Spanish name. And Santa Ana Canyon is on the coast, bro. It's on the coast. They don't come from... there's a Santa Ana Canyon, yes, and the winds get really high there. But it's the Santa Ana Canyon. They don't blow out of the Santa Ana Canyon. They blow out of the San Gabriels and the San Gorgonios. And I'm unemployed right now. Can you believe that? These guys don't even know what the fuck they're doing.